मैं क्लोजअप दिखा देता हूँ थोड़ा. I'm still working on this. Hello and welcome to my Art with Heart series. It's just the most perfect day to paint today. Look at the sky. It is looking stunning today. Though the weather is searingly hot, but what an inspiration. This is God's own art. A sky full of color and clouds and blue and richness and everything. And the real artisans who are creating this most amazing pandal using only bamboo and rags. I don't know how they do it. In the next 30 days, this entire scaffolding that you see will transform into something else. Welcome to Art with Heart, where I'm painting abstract horses in this new series. और इस सीरीज में मैं आर्काइवल पेपर में काम कर रहा हूँ और पहला एक प्रिलिमिनरी स्केच बना रहा हूँ so that I get an idea of where to place the horse and whatever the idea that I have in my mind. Sketch इतना साफ नहीं दिखाई देगा आपको because I really don't have the setup, but you'll get an idea as I go about it. You can see it here. Profundity and richness to my painting. This is part 1, so stay tuned. पेंटिंग एक प्रोसेस का काम है जहाँ पे बहुत टाइम लगता है कलर्स को उभारने के लिए to evolve the paint and to make it look rich, and it should have a depth, and this is how I normally paint
in acrylics and oils. I try to avoid oils unless it's commission painting, because it takes a lot of time to create one painting of, let's say, 2 feet by 4 feet or something like that. It usually takes about 6 months to dry completely, so it's a tedious process. So I therefore prefer mixed media, and I've evolved a technique my own.